keeps smoking like a huge black smoke going out of it. It's been like 15 minutes. I'm trying to adjust the knob here to avoid that, but it's not working. I think this is dangerous because in winter the house will be closed. There's no like proper ventilation, same as summertime, because it's really cold. You can't keep the window open. So let's say if you forget yourself and fall asleep, you might die because of that, especially if you are alone at home. So this is a very dangerous unit. I don't really recommend it. I don't know what's the issue, but this is the case here.
So, Tiny likes the new paraffin heater. I just happen to have one of them fans in the man cave. It's bloody warm in here. A lot warmer than the electric heater used to heat up.